Welcome all of you in SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. I am Assistant Professor Deepak Gavade. Today we are going to learn a topic from Effective Communication subject of FYBAMMC and Copywriting subject of TYBAMMC. The topic is Print Advertisements. See, we see different types of advertisements. There are some print advertisements. So how the print advertisement should be drafted, what are the different elements of print advertisements? In this lecture we are going to study those elements and you will learn how you can prepare such advertisements. Now if we look at this chart, it will clarify that what are the different elements of print advertisements. See, in every print advertisement there is headline. Headline is important part of this print advertisement which catches the attention of the reader. After that we read copy. Copy means that written material in the print advertisement. Then we find some illustration, some photo of that particular product, image of that product, then illustration, then identification is there, that the brand, the logo, likewise. These are the basic elements of any print advertisement. Now we will see one by one. The very first element in print advertisement which is very important, that is headline. See, headline catches the attention of the reader as well as it arouses their interest by providing the benefits and leads to read the rest of the advertisement. Then effective headlines select an audience. It should be attention catcher. 80% people read only the headline. They don't read the copy in that particular advertisement. And if your headline is that much attractive, then the reader will read the rest part of the advertisement also. So how should be the headline? It should be very short, it should be very precise, the catchy words should be used in the headline, and minimum words you have to use. It should convey the maximum meaning. Maximum you can use 7 words in the headline, and headline should be always in a larger type. Okay. Then there are different types of headlines. Some headlines offer something new and something improved. Whatever the new thing is there in the product, that is highlighted into the headline. Then sometimes if suppose the customer is having some problem and the product is giving the solution to that problem, it is highlighted through that particular headline. So there is another type of headline which solves the problem. Then promise a benefit. Sometimes some product promises the customer something, some benefit, and it is written in the headline. Sometimes some types of headlines arouse the curiosity about the product. The reader reads the rest part of the advertisement, that what is there in the product, what are the benefits of that particular product. So there are different types of headlines. Again, there are direct headlines, we can call an indirect headlines. Now what are direct headlines? See, direct headlines are very straightforward and they are informative in terms of the message they are presenting. And indirect headlines are not straightforward about identifying the product. Means by reading the headline, we don't come to know that what exactly the product is. And usually more effective at attracting readers' attention. So which type of headlines attracts the reader's attention? So that are indirect headlines. Okay. Now another part which we can use in the headline is use of language. So we can make headlines more attractive, more catchy by using different lexical items in the headlines. Like we can use techniques like figurative language we can use. For example, we can use alliteration when you are drafting the headline, you can use alliteration. Alliteration means what? Repeating initial consonants sounds. So in that headline you can repeat the consonant sounds, or sometime you can use paradox also, means some contradictory statement. Some rhyme you can use, like the quicker, picker, upper. Likewise, so this is one example. You can prepare your headline, or you can use some humorous word. It is called as pun, which suggests some meaning, as well as you can play on words like for soft babies and baby soft hands. This is the headline which we can use, means play on words. Means words are very important, because headline we have to write in the minimum words, and which should convey the maximum meaning, as well as it should catch the attention of the reader, so as the reader can read the rest of the print advertisement. Then sometimes we use sub-headlines also. So where the sub-headline is written? Sub-headline is written below the main headline. And why it is written? Because sometimes it is necessary to write sub-headline which clarifies the headline, that what is written in the headline, that is clarified. The meaning of the headline is clarified in sub-headline. Then comes the copy. This copy is also very important part of the print advertisement. The reader reads the copy only when you catches the attention of the reader in the headline. If your headline is successful, then only the reader reaches to the part of the copy. Now, what is written in the copy? Copy means what? It is the selling message in written advertisement, okay, which expands on the information in the headline or the product shown in an illustration. And in copy, you should write the benefits of that product, as well as the features of the product. And always keep in your mind, when you are writing the copy, your copy should be written in simple words, but it should appeal to the senses of the reader, and it should provide a call to action. Now, what is the call to action here? That the customer should do action, and what is the action expected here is to purchase the product. After reading your advertisement, the customer should purchase the product. Then only we can say that the advertisement is successful. Okay. Then there are different types of copies. Some copies focuses on features of the product. Here the physical characteristics of the products are explained. Sometimes focuses on the benefits, that how the customer is going to be benefited if the customer uses that particular product. So advantages are given here. Then sometimes some products claims about certain things by not providing certain factual proofs, but they claim something. So these types of copies are called as claim copy. Sometimes the comparison is made between two similar products, and they prove that this product is better than that. So this type of copy is comparison copy. Sometimes uses of that product are shown, are written. Sometimes testimonials, third party sharing positive experiences, and those are written there. Even celebrities, they write something, they recommended that product, so that is endorsement type copy. And sometimes the copy appeals the customer to purchase that particular product. So these are the different types of copies which we can use. Now here you can see certain examples. This is one ad, just watch it minutely. Here you will come to know that this is the example of feature print advertisement. Means here you can see one product, actually it is a laptop, you can see, and the features of that particular product are elaborated by using the different types of visuals. Then this benefit print advertisement, here you can see benefits if the customer is using that product are elaborated, are given in the advertisement. The customer reads the advertisement, and the customer comes to know that what are the benefits of that particular product. Then claims print advertisement, this is the example of it. Claims print advertisement. In this advertisement you can see that the product, it's claiming about something. Some claim is given there and the customer reads that particular claim and get attracted towards that particular product. Then comparison, print advertisement, two similar products are compared in this type of advertisement, which you can see on the screen. This one example is of use print advertisement. Here how you can use that particular product is elaborated in the advertisement, so customer comes to know that if I am purchasing this particular product, where I can use it and how I can use it. So that is explained in the advertisement itself. Then testimonial advertisement, the third party is giving certain recommendations about that product and that is given here. Some endorsements, celebrity endorsement advertisement, the celebrities, they are recommending, these are the paid celebrities, they are recommending the customers to use that particular product. Then this one is the example of call to action advertisement. Here the readers are appealed to do certain action. Okay, and next part of the advertisement, print advertisement, is illustration. Now what is the part of illustration? We write some, we use some photographs or some drawing or some chart when we are writing certain advertisement, and the basic function of this illustration is to attract attention and encourage a purchase. It should show the product and how the product works. That should be shown here and should project the appropriate image of the product in the mind of the reader. Then there are different types of illustrations. Sometimes the product itself can be illustration, product features you can highlight, or product in an appropriate setting, that can become illustration, or product in use or benefits of using that particular product, that can be shown. These are again certain examples of identification. So distinctive identification, symbol of for a business, name of the business, or we use the logo, slogan of that particular product, or internet address, street address, like this. Some telephone numbers are given. That thing is given in the print advertisement. You can see here on the screen some certain identification marks of a few brands. Okay, this picture clears that how should be a print advertisement is. How we have to draft the print advertisement. The first is, I have explained you during this session that what are the different elements of print advertisement. The very first was headline. So where the headline should be written at the top. Okay, the headline should be written. Then see the illustration, the product itself is illustration here. Then the copy is written, you can see here, and some identification mark of that particular brand, some logo that is given there. So that's all about the elements of print advertisement. I hope everything is clear too, and now you are ready to draft print advertisement of any product. Thank you for watching.